Moringa oleifera, otherwise known as the drumstick tree, the miracle tree, or the horseradish tree, has been used for centuries as a way to reduce swelling, as an antioxidant to prevent spasms, increase breast milk production, and some even use it as a nutritional supplement or tonic. And so far, scientists have only investigated a fraction of the many reputed health benefits moringa may contain. In this video, we'll be doing a deep dive into one of its many claimed benefits, which is weight loss and how it may play a role to shrink waistline and reduce belly fat. So if you want to learn how that works, make sure to watch till the end of the video. Hi guys, you've seen Arslan Media Pharmacist here on YouTube. If you guys want to learn more about making informed decisions about your health and wellness in an easy to understand way, then I'd love for you all to click that red subscribe button down below to stay up to date with new weekly videos. Also, give this video a like if you enjoy learning about topics like these. And since you did like the video, I thought I'd show you a picture of a cute otter. Aww. Now without further ado, let's get straight into learning about moringa. What's really unique about moringa is the fact that almost all parts of the tree are eaten or used as ingredients in traditional herbal medicines. And it's one of those plants that are just loaded with nutrients. Absolutely loaded. To give you an example of what I mean, let's take a look at this chart that looks at things gram per gram provided by Kuli Kuli, which is an organization that harvests moringa plants in Africa. So with 1 gram of moringa, you get 2 times the protein in yogurt, 4 times the vitamin A in carrots, 3 times the potassium in bananas, and 4 times the calcium in milk, and also 7 times the vitamin C in oranges. At this point, you can pretty much call moringa a superfood. So much so that I'd like to play you a clip of what Carrie Waterman, assistant researcher at UC Davis, has to say about moringa.
Moringa is really packed with nutritional density. It contains zinc, iron, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, copper, and a lot of other elements that we need in our basic nutrition. It's also very unique in that it contains all of the essential amino acids. Moringa leaves contain 27% protein by dry weight, and that's one of the highest of any non-legume plant.
Not only is it jam-packed with nutrients, we also have the antioxidant component that you should know of as well. The main antioxidant is going to be the quercetin, which is being investigated to help with blood pressure, and then the polyphenol chlorogenic acid, which is found in coffee, that may help moderate blood sugar levels after meals, which becomes important when it comes to weight loss, which is the focus of this video. There's so much to discuss with moringa, and maybe I can do a separate video if you guys like doing a deep dive on how it can help other areas. So comment below if you guys want to see more info on moringa. But as far as weight loss goes, the benefits of moringa powder for weight loss haven't been extensively studied as much as I would like, and more research is needed on this. But what we do know is that it has a particular effect on insulin resistance. And we know that if our bodies manage insulin more effectively and become insulin sensitive, we can help lose weight over time, of course with lifestyle changes as well. Peter Havel, a professor of nutrition and molecular biosciences at the UC Davis School of Veterinary Medicine, tested moringa in the UC Davis type 2 diabetes rat model he developed that closely mimics diabetes in humans. In his studies, he found moringa delayed diabetes in rats approximately 5 months, which could mean a delay of 10 to 15 years for humans. Which, if his findings are clinically significant, this could very well mean that moringa can help us lose weight and manage weight a lot more efficiently. How, you might ask? Well, let's take a look at this chart and I'll explain it in an easy to understand way. On the top left, you got high blood sugar. It goes inside the mitochondria of the beta cell, which are the cells in the pancreas that release insulin. The high blood sugar, when it's inside, creates reactive oxygen species, which causes apoptosis or causes the cell to explode. And when that happens, you get less insulin released, which leads to hyperglycemia, which is too much sugar in the blood, which then makes diabetes worse or causes diabetes and subsequent weight gain. But now I want you to take a look at this. When adding moringa, you get something else that I want you to look at. The moringa is the green inside the beta cell, right? The apoptosis is averted, which means the cell doesn't have to explode or cause what's known as cell-mediated suicide. That would mean the insulin does get released, hyperglycemia is potentially prevented, and diabetes complications are lessened, putting weight management in a better position for you to control. I mean, more research is needed on this, of course, but I would love for updates on this type of stuff to come out, because imagine if we could decrease advanced glycated end products, or AGEs, in diabetes. You would have far less complications of retinopathy, nephropathy, and even atherosclerosis, which would be amazing. As far as the ways you can take moringa, there are powders, capsules, teas, and oils, which is called Ben oil. I like the one by FGR Organic because first off, they're organic and every batch is lab tested for quality and heavy metal testing, which is important when it comes to picking one up. And the most potent part is going to be the moringa leaf itself. So moringa leaf powder seems to be the most popular way to take it. And as far as how much, you want to follow the dosage directions carefully that are on the back of the product label, but taking up to 6 grams daily for up to 3 weeks at a time did appear to be safe in the studies. And I've left the one by FGR Organic in the description below, so definitely check that out when you get a chance. In my opinion, it's best to start slow by taking 1 teaspoon of the powder and adding it to a personal smoothie or single serving meal. Most brands say to take 50 milligrams per kilogram of your body weight, which is another popular way to measure it as well. But 1 teaspoon regularly works well and is equivalent to roughly 2 grams. Keep in mind, in addition to moringa, it's important to keep up with a healthy lifestyle as well, as there's no one method to lose weight, right? It's going to take a regimen of increasing activity level throughout the day, reducing portion sizes, as well as swapping greasier foods for healthier ones. And also another quick tip about weight loss in general is that you'd want to try to also minimize your cortisol levels and keep your stress in check. Click that red subscribe button down below and share with me what your thoughts are down below as well. Also, give this video a like so I know that you did enjoy it. And if you want me to review other herbs, let me know, as I'd be happy to take suggestions. And until then, guys, I'll see you on the next one.